YouTube not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on our device and make sure that we have the latest version of the YouTube application. As you can see, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the YouTube application on our device. So what we are going to do is make a long press on the YouTube application and then tap on App Info. Now it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. And if you press on clear data again, you can just tap on clear all data and delete all data. This will possible. This is better if you feel it's more convenient. Then next, go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here so that you do not have any sort of issues while using the application. After that, you can just go and use your YouTube application and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.